How to change phone number on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change phone number on Cash App. First, launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app, where you will see different options that you can use to navigate to other areas of the app. From the icons that are here, the one we need is this one here at the top right corner of the screen. This is the profile icon. You will land on the profile section of your Cash App account, as you can see here. This is where you will find options that you can use to get access to different features of the app. Next, scroll down. Continue scrolling until you reach here. After that, look for an option named Personal. As you can see, here is the option. Make sure you tap on it. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. This is where you will find information about your account, such as email and phone number. You can also edit and update this information. So scroll down and look for an option named Contact Info. Under the option, there are two fields. One is email, while the other is phone number. So go ahead and tap on the phone number, and then you will be able to change the old number with the current you want to use here. After that, confirm that everything is correct, and then save the changes you have made. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to change phone number on Cash App.